Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how to maximize your profits when buying gift cards on Fold. So as you guys know, you can get free Bitcoin like this. Amazon 4% back, the Flower 7. There's a ton of different ones that you can go into. Mute this. So yeah, as you guys can see, there's all these different gift cards to be buying. And as you can see, there's payment methods, right? Lightning, and you can add credit and debit cards for all these different stores. So how you can maximize your profits when buying these gift cards is by adding your crypto debit card. So if you add your crypto debit card and deposit money on your crypto debit card, you'll earn these percentages back. For example, let's say you have the Ruby Red, right? It's 2%. So let's say you buy a $100 gift card times 2%, $2 back in CRO if you pay with your crypto.com debit card, because you'll get 2% back on a Fold gift card purchase. So on the $100 gift card purchase, you'll get 2% back in CRO. And then if you go into Amazon, if you do $100 right there, Amazon gives 2% back on a purchase. So that's Nike, but Amazon gives 2% back on a purchase. So in total, it'd be $4 back, $2 in Bitcoin and $2 in CRO. If you add a regular debit card and don't use a crypto debit card, you'll just be getting the $2 in Bitcoin and that's it. Obviously, that's better than nothing, but I just want to tell you guys, if you have the crypto debit card or if you don't and want to get it, use my referral code down in the description. I'll have a link for you guys. All you have to do is you'll get $50 free, and so will I. So it's a great way to support my channel. But all you have to do is stake for this Ruby Red debit card, which is 1,000 CRO, and you'll get 2% back on all card spends and 100% back on Spotify. So you can then attach that debit card. You just type in the numbers on Fold and add that debit card, and make sure you deposit money into the Ruby Red debit card, and then you can buy gift cards with it, and you can get percentage back in CRO. And you can get percentage back in Bitcoin. So it doubles up, which is really nice, which is what I've actually been doing, because I have a crypto debit card and I've also used Fold, and I just combined them together, which can sometimes beat the Lightning percentage you'll get back anyways for the Lightning Network. So make sure to go in the description to get my referral link for Fold. If you don't have Fold, you'll get around $2 back, or $2 free in Bitcoin if you use my referral link with Fold. And if you use my referral link with crypto.com, you'll get $50 free once you stake for a Ruby Red 1,000 CRO. Your $50 will be unlocked, and like I said, so will I'll get $50 too, which is a great way to support my channel if you want me to continue making content like this or more crypto content. So and it's good for you, good for me. We both get benefits out of it. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.